if you want to reset the tire pressure on your BMW BC, well, there are a few things that you need to do. So first is you want to inflate all tires to the correct pressure first. So start by checking each tire here, including the spare if your car monitors it, and inflate them to the recommended PSI. Now you'll find the correct pressure on your driver's door sticker or in your owner's manual. Now, next is you want to turn on the ignition. So you want to make the car have, or you want to make sure the engine is running. So the system is basically active. Now use the turn signal, stock controls, or the iDrive controller to access the car's display screen. Now on many BMWs, a button labeled BC or found on the turn signal stalks allows you to cycle through vehicle status screens. Now scroll until you see the tire pressure monitor or tire pressure on the display. Now when you're on the tire pressure screen, press and hold the BC button for about 5 seconds until you see a confirmation message like reset or check mark icon appears. Now this tells the car you've set the correct pressure. Now, after holding the button, the display should show something like tire pressure initialized or reset completed. Now this means the system is now using the correct pressure as the baseline. Now, drive the car for a few minutes. The system needs to monitor to relearn the new pressure pressure values here. So the warning light should disappear once the values are accepted, and if it doesn't, well, recheck pressure and repeat. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.